Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the extension folder and a manifest. JSON v3. This tells Chrome what your extension does and which permissions it needs. Then set up a Python backend, Flask or Fast API, to handle heavier logic and expose endpoints your extension will call. Once done, create a simple pop-up. HTML and icons so the UI exists, and load the unpacked extension into Chrome to validate the manifest and initial UI before building messaging or network calls. Now implement the background script or service worker that coordinates everything and stays active for events. You will use fetch or XHR from the extension to call your Python API. Make sure your server handles CORS and accepts the extension's origin, and secure endpoints with tokens. Also inject a content script when you need page context, and wire message passing so content script, background, and pop-up exchange state. Once messaging works, test typical flows and log responses to iterate on payload formats and error handling. To finish, switch your manifest and endpoints to production values, deploy your Python API to a secured HTTPS host, and package the extension as a zip or use Chrome's packing tool to create a CRX. Make sure host permissions and content script matches remain correct. If things go wrong, first open Chrome's extension console and the network tab to inspect requests. Most issues are CORS, permission scope, or mismatched manifest keys. Fix the server CORS headers, update permissions, then reload the unpacked extension and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.